Okay, let's take a look at question 4b. Do the data in the table support the conclusion that train A's velocity is negative 100 meters per minute at some time t with t between 5 and 8? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, so when you see a chart and they're asking you about some value that's not on the chart, that's usually a hint that you have to do the intermediate value theorem. And I would, if you don't remember what the intermediate value theorem is, I would encourage you to watch some of the previous videos, essentially 2016 videos. I talk in depth about that. But essentially, what we're talking about here is that if we look from, we're looking at 5 to 8. So 5 is here. 8 is here. And so from 5 to 8, we know that at 5, the point is 40. And at 8, the point is negative 120. And so this function could be doing a number of things. It could be going like this. It could be going like this. It could even be as simple as just a straight line across, right? It could be doing a number of things. We don't know. But what we do know is that if the function is continuous, you have to state that it's continuous. And clearly the function is continuous because it's differentiable, right? We say if something is differentiable, then it is continuous. If it is continuous, then by the intermediate value theorem, we are arguing that at some point it will cross at, what is it, negative 100? It will cross negative 100. So if it's continuous by intermediate value theorem, write it out. I'm abbreviating. This would be true. Okay? And that's essentially it. So all you have to do here is show that because the function is, if it is differentiable, then it is continuous. By the intermediate value theorem, it states that we shall cross at negative 100 at some point, right? Essentially, if I'm going from 40 to 120, the only way I'm going to get from 40 to negative 120 is if I cross negative 100 at some point. There you have it. Hopefully that makes sense, and I will see you in the next video.